Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu. You are watching Next Tech. This is the first ever video on this channel. Today I am unboxing Samsung Galaxy M01 smartphone. Hope you watch the full video and hope you like the video. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So this is the Samsung Galaxy M01 box, and after opening the package you get this kind of compartment right here, and inside this there are several documentation and no TPU case included with this product. So okay, now we get the handset itself. Keeping it aside, we get a 5V 1A charger. Here you can see the rating. We get a 5V 1A charger. And what else do we get? We get a micro USB cable. I think it's a USB type A to it's a micro USB cable, so it's kind of disappointing we are getting a micro USB cable, but considering the price point it's quite okay. Now we are getting a semi ejector tool right here, semi ejector tool. So that's it. Now let's get to the handset itself. This is the device itself, the Samsung Galaxy M01. This is priced at 10,000 and written on the box, but it is available in nearly 8,000 on online website like Flipkart. So let me give you the physical overview about the product. So it's having a 5.7-inch LCD TFT display, this one, and in screen there is a full screen kind of display with a V notch. Here is the selfie shooter and here is the earpiece. At the right side you get the SIM tray and the power button, and the upper side you get just a 3.5mm. This is the audio jack. On the left side you get the volume rockers, and the downside you get the microphone. This is a microphone, and this is the micro USB port. You can charge your phone with it, and it's kind of disappointing, as I said earlier, that it's having a micro USB port, but again, considering the price point, it's good, it's okay. So now coming about the back part, so here is the Samsung branding over here. Here is the single speaker, and there is the back camera. So it's a 13 megapixel primary camera, and it's the secondary camera of 2 megapixel. It's the depth sensing sensor, and it's having LED flash. So this Samsung Galaxy M01 SIM tray is there. So the SIM tray looks kind of metallic, and it has the dedicated micro SD card slot with dual SIM support. And the back material is I think it's plastic and no metal frame there. There's a full plastic body and with a non-detachable back. You can't detach it, but there's a full plastic body. I just booted up the phone, started for the first time, and here it is. You can see the display quality here. So it's a 5.7-inch TFT LCD HD plus display with a resolution of 1520 into 720, and here is a quick toggle. You can see right here. So here is a quick toggle, and here Dolby Atmos is supported here, which is a good thing in this price point. Let me go to the settings, and give me a minute. Let me go to the settings and see the Android version. So in the about phone it says the model number and serial number. Let me go to the software information. So it is currently going on Android version 10 and One UI version 2.0. And there are some app are pre-installed like Netflix, Samsung Members, YouTube Music, Game Launcher, Samsung Global Goals, Samsung Shop. So these are Snapchat, Amazon. These are some pre-installed bloatware on the phone. Let me talk about the storage. So it has a 32 gigabyte of storage and 3 gigabyte of RAM, and it's running on Snapdragon 439 processor. Let's talk about the security on the phone. So you can see there is clearly no fingerprint scanner on the back, and nothing on the power button, and nothing in the in-screen fingerprint scanner. There is no fingerprint scanner at all, but there is some pin, password, and traditional kind of unlock here, traditional kind of security, but it has the face unlocking feature. So let me test once. So it takes 1 or 2 seconds, but and here it says no face detected, so it's not that good, but it's kind of okay considering the price point. It's kind of okay. It's not that fast or that good. So let me talk about the battery. So it's having a 4000 milliampere lithium ion battery. Despite having the battery, it weighs just 168 gram, and the weight management is very good on the product. Usually Samsung does weight management very well, and also this has a very good weight management. In hand, you can't feel that you are having a brick or something in your hand, so it's good. So let me talk about the cameras of the product. So it has a 13 plus 2 megapixel shooter at the back. The 2 megapixel is a depth shooter with a LED flash, and at the front it has a 5 megapixel shooter. So let me go to the camera mode, and this is the UI. You can see it's a typical Samsung UI. Let me click a general shot over there. So you can see the quality of the photo. I'll attach some samples of the back and front to see the to let you see that how the camera is. So then you judge that how the camera of the Samsung M01 is. It is just a sample. The first shot I clicked on this phone, and the front it's kind of like this. You can see the quality. I'll attach some samples. You will be able to see that in later part of the video. So talking about the camera mode, it has a video mode, a photo mode, and has a live focus mode for the front camera, and for the back it has several modes like photo, video, live focus. It has a pro mode. Wow, that's good. It has pano mode. You can shoot panorama with it. Here are some of the samples. There are some outdoor samples of the sky, and here's some of my garden sample shot. This is a close-up micro shot, and this is a human sample shot. There is a live focus sample shot out there, and it's a selfie. It's an outdoor selfie, and it's a live focus selfie. Then we come out some indoor sample shots. There are some random indoor sample shots, and there is a human sample shot in indoor. There is an indoor selfie. You can see the quality, and there's live focus indoor selfie. This is the sample video I am now recording on the Samsung Galaxy M01, and the audio now you are hearing that is directly coming from the microphone of Samsung Galaxy M01. This is the front camera video sample of Samsung Galaxy M01, and as usual the audio is coming from the microphone of Samsung Galaxy M01. So that's it for today, guys, and let me know in the comment section what your opinion about the product is, and hope you like the video. Then press the like button, and please press the subscribe button to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for today. Thank you.